Hi, today I'm going to show you how to reset Craftsman garage door opener. The remote was not working. So what you do is, this is the remote. You have 3 buttons there, and this is my Craftsman half horsepower garage door opener. So all you have to do is go to the remote garage door opener, and as you can see, there's a button there. Just press that and immediately press the button on your garage door opener, this one here, which you usually open it, and then the light flashes, and then you're all set to go. And then once it's done, all you have to do is press the remote, and there you go, close it. Thank you for watching.